Hi, welcome back. I have to say that I am really happy because I believe that summer is officially over here in Kern County, California, and we are having some beautiful fall weather. Here, we usually go from summer to winter and winter to summer. If we're lucky, we may have a week or two of 60, 70 degree weather before going into the other extreme. But it's been beautiful here, and fall is my favorite season. Today we are putting the roof on the chicken coop and the shade on the chicken yard, the new chicken yard. And Brian's already over there working, so we'll go join him. So today I'm taking the new puppies to have their tails docked and their dew claws removed. We follow the AKC standard, which is to do that. I prefer natural tails, but not everybody does. So I've also got a puppy back here who is from our last litters. He's getting ready to go home and he needs a rabies shot, so I've got to take him too. So it'll be fun. Puppies are back home and with their mommy again. So everybody is looking good, got their tails and dew claws done, and Mama's happy to have them back. Thanks for joining us. I hope you'll be back next time for more puppy updates and updates on the coop. And we'll be taking Jace to the pumpkin patch soon, and we'll include that as well. If you have any comments as to how we can do things better or things you would like to see more, please comment and let us know. And please share and subscribe if you haven't. Thanks. Bye-bye.